Hey friends, if VPN causes your computer to crash or freeze, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to change your system settings to allow the incoming VPN connections. So, search for Windows Defender Firewall and open Windows Defender Firewall. Go to this option, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now, there's a list of apps and features. Now, I don't use external VPNs, but let's say that this was the external VPN or its services. Simply select this and then click on the option to, check this box here to allow it. Okay, you have to click on change settings, otherwise, you won't be able to tick it. Click on the tick box for both public and private network and then click on OK to save the settings. The next one is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Okay, where is it? Yeah, right click on the MediaTek one and select update drivers and search automatically for drivers. The next one is to reinstall the VPN. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then if you find the VPN here, then simply click on these three dots here and select uninstall and then uninstall it, and then install it from the manufacturer's website. Next one is to run a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type MRT and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds and it will open the malware removal tool. This is an excellent tool to remove malware. Select next, full scan, next, and it will start scanning your system for malware. And the last one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.